So just got in one of the new Lotus. This is a Lotus Solo, not the Lead Solo, but this is one of the high-end kind of premium solos. These are now being assembled and made in the UK, and so I'm really excited to check this one out. Okay, so let's check it out. So it comes in this Lotus case. The premium instruments all have like this gold Lotus embossment on the top, whereas the Lead Solo, which is made in Asia, comes with, that's in silver. And the instruments, let's see, we got backpack slides in there, or backpack straps in there. Okay. See, here it is. Let's check this out. This is the first one of these from the UK that I've received so far. So check this out. Turn the camera here. I've seen so many of the Lead Solos lately. It's interesting to kind of look at one of these. So with a solo model, you have essentially like a copper or red brass bell tail. We currently have the red brass tuning slide in, and then a phosphor bronze bell flare. So those materials are gonna kind of mute some of the highs and bring out a lot of the lows and the rich lows. Heavyweight phosphor bronze mouthpiece receiver. Yellow brass tuning slide, which is machined, and then nickel silver trim, and then phosphor bronze and nickel silver valve balusters. Let's see how the valves feel. Valves feel good. Got the nice fancy valve tops. These are the maw valves. Oh man, slides are just smooth as glass. Feel really, really great. Yeah, all of them feel really good. It's marked with Lotus on the second valve casing, and nothing on the back side. The serial number is on the bottom of the first slide. Kind of an interesting place to put that. Or bottom of the bell tail. I said first slide. Bell tail. Okay, let's see how this sounds. Yeah, everything with QCs looks good there. Valves need some oil, but I'm not going to do that because I don't know what the this horn's already sold. It was ordered for a customer. I don't know what oil he uses, so I'm not going to add oil because I don't want those two things to get mixed. Yeah, very nice. So these are really good. This feels really great. Having these assembled in the UK is great. But yeah, a really, really still premium instrument. Quite a bit different than the Lotus Lead Solos. Obviously, the bell materials are different. You're back to the two-piece bells. You're back to this kind of a little bit more higher end of material. You've got the maw valves. These maw valves are like $1,000. So I mean, that alone is a big part of the price of this instrument. UK construction over Asian construction. Different design, different quality materials as well. Maybe not quality materials because both materials are, well, I think we can say that. I think the quality of the materials coming out for the premium stuff, where you're getting stuff that's coming out of the UK/Germany/ wherever they're, getting parts from, it's probably going to be generally considered a higher quality and caliber than the stuff coming out of China. Not to say that there's anything wrong with the stuff coming out of China. I think all that stuff looks good, plays good, sounds good. All that stuff works and works well. But you spend more, you kind of get more. I think that's sort of the expectation, and I think that lives up to these horns. I think these are still a little bit nicer feeling, a little more premium feeling. Are they twice as nice? That's hard to say. Maybe not, but definitely they are nicer. So there you go, Lotus Solo. If you want one, head over to ErnieWilliamson.com and we can get one for you for sure. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.